The Little Bird Who Couldn't Fly. Lena was a young bird who had never flown before. While her siblings soared through the blue sky, she stayed close to the nest. She watched them with wide eyes, but was too afraid to try. Her mother encouraged her every day, saying, "One day you will fly higher than all of them." One afternoon, a strong wind shook the tree. Lena lost her balance and fell. But instead of crashing to the ground, she instinctively opened her wings. She flapped them hard, and to her surprise, she didn't fall. She flew, not far, not high, but enough to feel free. That moment changed her life. From then on, she practiced daily. A week later, she was flying confidently with the others. Moral: you never know what you can do until you try.